this is our M150 rinser. I'm going to go over some components of the machine. This is your control panel. So you got your HMI, touchscreen, start button, stop button, emergency stop, reset for the fault. If there's a fault, this will light up. This indicates that the power's on. And this is your lockout if they need to do some work on the machine or open the panel. This wheel you'll use to adjust the width of the grippers. So if you're using a wider bottle, you'll have to open up the grippers. It's easily labeled the rotation of the wheel. And there's also a dial, so if you're running the same bottles on different runs, you can write down the number, so it's quick set for your operators. We have the lubrication nozzles, and they're labeled with all the different bearings that each lubrication nozzle goes to. Access door with the safety switch, another access door, safety switch, another access door. Inside here you'll see the ionizing nozzles, the rock nozzles for the rinser. Now the height of this can be adjusted if you go around the side of the machine. It's really simple. Just loosen off these ratchet handles. You can adjust the header either up or down. This is another view. If you need to do maintenance on this machine, this whole side panel actually comes off. And same with this one here. This door opens up, so you can access the machine that way. It's also got a safety switch, so if you open it up, it's going to stop the machine. More bearing lubrication, all labeled. You got your drive for your conveyor, all your air filters here, so this is where your air hooks up. It runs into the nozzles. This particular machine has a dead plate, so it's going to attach to a rotary table, and this dead plate will allow an easy transfer across to that rotary table. So as you see, I opened that gate. We're going to clear the fault. So if I go start, the machine won't start up. We have to clear the fault because it's a safety fault. Now we can start the machine back up again. It's running. You got a couple control mechanisms. Photo eye here. So if the bottle's back up on the outfeed, they'll block this photo eye and the machine will stop. You also have a photo eye on the infeed there. You can see the lights lit up. That basically tells the machine that a bottle's coming, and it will turn on the air to start ionizing and rinsing the bottles. Right here is another switch. It's a jam switch, so if bottles get jammed in there, they'll press that switch, it'll stop the machine. And again, there's another panel here that open up for access to the machine. This is what the infeed looks like, or sorry, the outfeed looks like. So you have your two drives, your jam switch plate. So by turning that wheel I showed you earlier, you can adjust the width of these grippers for various bottle sizes, and our guide rails are all fully adjustable as well, so you can adjust them to match the size of your bottle. When you're adjusting the width of the grippers, you want to put the bottle in, and there should be just a little bit of wiggle, about a 1/4 inch, so you got 1/8 of wiggle on each side, and that's the ideal setting for the grippers. And then I'll just show you the header. So going down into the machine, here's your header. So you got ionizing air nozzles, 2 more air nozzles. The adjuster for the header, just the tubing that's going out to the air filters on the outside of the machine. So those are all the basic components of the M150 rinser. If you have any questions or anything, you can give Bevco a call, 604-888-1455, and we'll be happy to help you out or answer any questions you have.